Getting website clients is easier than ever, and I have a simple strategy to share with you today, a foot in the door approach that has worked for me and many others. It helps in achieving success with selling websites on a monthly recurring basis. And although GoHighLevel offers amazing features and automations, let's focus on just one service. You can charge anywhere from $300 to $600 a month for it. I'll teach you an outreach strategy to attract clients specifically for this service. We'll draft an email for you so that you can use it to reach out to potential clients. Now to get started, you're going to log into your GHL account and choose a website template. Now to do this, first switch to your sub account. Then go to the Sites tab in the left menu and click on the Site tab. Now once you've reached your site's dashboard, select the Websites section. Click on New Website where you'll have two options, From Blank and From Template. Choose the From Templates option. Now pick a template that you like, and let's go with the second option, Website Designer. Open the website builder and we'll fully build this website for a specific niche. Let's assume that your niche is roofers. Start by selecting home service companies, and what you'll do next is focus on making every service and paragraph relevant to roofing. Now this includes topics like metal roofs and any other information you gathered about the industry. Fill it all out here. You need to build the entire homepage for the niche that you've chosen. It's crucial to leave the logo option at the top, and once you finish building it, you can visit a website like Bustor. I've used it before and found it very helpful. There are probably many other free Chrome extensions and Google My Business extractors available. This one is paid, but I have the most experience with it. The Phantom Builder website allows you to extract data from Google Maps. First, scroll down and click the Browse Phantoms button. Then, enter a search term related to your niche like roofers. For example, let's type in roofer New York. As you scroll down to the More Businesses section, you'll see many roofing businesses in New York. And once you have the extension, it allows you to export the data into a neat CSV file. You can then use this data to start reaching out to these businesses. Now look, here's the main issue with reaching out to businesses. They get bombarded with cold calls, messages, and emails. Everyone is trying to take from them without offering any real value. People often pitch services like lead generation, appointment settings, or automation solutions, yet they fail to deliver actual value. So from my experience, the best approach is to offer something up front. Provide them with some value, like teaching them something new. You could even show them insights on their competitors or reveal information they haven't seen before. For instance, when you're on a sales call, giving a presentation, or meeting with a business owner, ensure they leave with new knowledge. Now, this approach has been effective for me because it keeps you in their thoughts. Even if you don't need a website or see the value in more Google reviews right now, they'll remember you in the future when those needs arise. Teaching them something relevant is key. This method helps you stand out from the competition, which is why I support our foot in the door strategy. So here's exactly what you're going to do. Here is an outreach message that you can start sending to these business owners. Hey, are you still open? I noticed a few issues on your website while searching for a chiropractor in your city. I fixed and rebuilt a couple of things for you. Can I send you a link to the new website in this email? Let me know if you like it. If you're contacting them via Facebook, Instagram, or phone, you can modify the message slightly to fit your needs. This is the basic message and approach that you should use. Also, real quick, if you don't have a high-level account yet, you can sign up for a free 30-day trial using my link in the description below. You'll get access to GoHighLevel for 30 days instead of the standard 14 days that GHL offers you from their site. Plus, you will receive the GHL Jumpstart course for free. So make sure to check out the link in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Now, once you've built out the GoHighLevel website I mentioned, just add their logo. You can place it on a separate subdomain, and this way you can easily send them a link to the subdomain. It's not much work on your end. Once they opt in and agree, simply add their logo to the top. For an advanced touch, you can change some colors, then send them the link to the homepage. And now offer them something everyone else is asking for, like, hey, do you want more appointments? Do you want automations? You are providing them with a new website to review. From there, they might give you some feedback. Now, this increases your chances of getting on a Zoom call with them. Now, when you call and say, hey, I just sent you that website, they'll remember you. They'll think, oh yeah, it's the person who built me that entire website before I even asked. If they ask what's broken or what's wrong, you can explain and offer them more solutions, like you want to build out your Google My Business page, manage reviews, and so on and so forth. Offer them more services that bring value to their business. They're likely to say yes. Now, when they agree, they say something like what works best is having a phone number or your website with a Call Us Now button. Now, this should be at the top of the site. It often results in more leads. Additionally, placing a form in the top right corner encourages more people to fill it out. Now, your website currently isn't converting all your visitors. Imagine if you have 10 visitors and I help you convert just one into a lead. How much is that worth to you? Consider the value of closing an extra project. Some leads might be high quality. They might want to contact you but struggle to find your phone number. This issue is common. Many businesses don't list their phone number prominently, making it hard for potential clients to get in touch. Now, when chatting with them, discuss the additional benefits, and you can charge $300, $400, $500 a month by highlighting the value of what happens after you gain a lead. As you can see, we managed to get our foot in the door by leading with value. It takes just a couple of seconds to add their logo to the top of the website. Now, this small effort helps you stand out from the crowd and provides something tangible that they can appreciate. Now, once you've captured their interest, you can discuss additional services. For example, you might say, I noticed you have 4 reviews. Did you know other contractors in your area have 50 reviews? If we increased your reviews and enhanced your site just a bit, you could compete with the top players. Now, this opens up the opportunity to sell them on improving their Google reviews. We can also talk about automations. Ask them something like, what do you do when a lead comes to your website? Do you call them? How quickly? Now, by addressing these areas, you can offer valuable solutions that enhance their business performance. Now you can easily sell them additional services. Now, previously, we offered website hosting for $150 a month. Now, that fee was just for keeping a website live. Do you think charging $200 or even $300 a month for automation is difficult? Not really. All it takes is setting up a system to text leads as soon as they come in. Now, many people struggle with GoHighLevel because they promote too many services. Instead, focus on one main service and promote that. By doing this, you can attract many clients with one simple strategy. It's effective and it allows you to sell more in the background. Now, if you want to boost profits, consider offering lead generation services later on. This way, you can charge $500 or $1,000 a month and more as you grow. Now, I've given you the whole strategy plus the outreach message so you can try this out for yourself. Remember to offer something valuable and always focus on providing solutions that benefit the business owner. Now, this approach will help you stand out from the competitors and establish a long-term relationship with clients. But to do this, you'll need a GoHighLevel account. You can sign up for a free 30-day trial using the link below. Normally, they offer a 14-day free trial, but with my link, you're going to get 30 days for free. And as a special thank you, I'm also giving you access to my complete course, GoHighLevel Jumpstart. Now, this course will guide you through setting up and launching your business during the trial period. GoHighLevel offers many features which can be overwhelming. So in my course, I focus on the most important aspects to help you start making money with GoHighLevel in the first 30 days. You'll also receive my top-notch templates for free. Now, these include the Business Hub template for managing your business and the Finance Hub for tracking your finances. Now, these templates are valued at over $900 themselves, but you're going to get them for free as a thank you for using my affiliate link in the description. Simply click on the first link to find all the details about these offers and how to claim them. It's my way of saying thank you for supporting the channel.